So, today, I'm making my new YouTube channel. It's gonna be called, Sports Cars for Kids. We're gonna be talking about sports cars. I've been studying them for a couple months. Let me think about this. When was our Washington trip?
Maybe last month?
Last month. So I've been studying them for a month. Today I've done a lot of research on Italian cars. So, for the first part of the series, we'll be doing Italian cars. One comment real quick. I think it was kind of stupid of Tesla to make the Model Y, because the model add a third row to the Model Y. Cause Model Y, the third row, it's just so small. I understand why they added it to the X, though, because the X still has a big enough row that a small person could fit in there. But anyway, there's still bigger options, like for luxury cars that have 3 rows, but most of them aren't sporty. Goodbye.